Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First, you will need to press and hold the App/Menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you find the System option and tap on it. Here, in the System options, select the language, and now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you like to use, and tap on it to select it. For example, Deutsch. As you can see, the language changed. You can also change the language using the phone app if your watch is paired with your phone. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the Garmin Connect application on our phone. Tap on this icon right here to open the menu. Scroll down, select the Garmin devices, select our Epix. On the device page, scroll down, tap on System, select Language, and find the language you like to use, for example, English. And as you can see, the language changed after a couple of seconds. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.